Hello everyone, I'm Dr.Neethu.S.Arrakal from Little Flower College, Guruvayur, Kerala. The topic today I'm going to discuss with you is ages. Most of you may have come across these types of problems while you have attempted the aptitude test. Some of you may be preparing for the NET exam too. So this session definitely will be useful for you. So let's have a look at this problem. So once you come across the age problem, you always have to treat the present age as a certain variable. So let it be X. So when you come across a question like this, Ram is 15 years younger to his brother. If his brother is twice as old as Ram, what age is Ram? So you have to assign X to the present age. Then you solve the problem easily. So we can see that the present age we can treat as X. So the past age, so that means if 5 years before Ram was like this, you have to do that X minus 5. You have to subtract that value if it is said like that before or past. So 5 years after or like 5 years hence, you have to add X plus 5. And sometimes it is given like that Ram is twice as old as his brother. So then you have to multiply the value n times x, n into x. So these are the basics of the age problem. So always keep in mind the present age is x. Then before you have to treat as you have to subtract, and after or hence or in future you have to add. And if it is twice or likewise n times, it is you have to multiply. So let's have a look at the problem. Rohan's age 20 years hence will be 3 times his age 10 years back. How old is Rohan now? So again, we are taking the Rohan's present age as X. Then keep in mind that we are segregating the question into 3 parts, like Rohan's age 20 years hence, that is the first part, and his age 10 years back, that is the second part. And you have to see that 3 times, that is Rohan's age 20 years hence, will be 3 times his age 10 years back. So that is the third part, 3 times his age 10 years back. That is 3 times means nx, that is 3 times. 3 into what is his age 10 years back. So this way you have to segregate the question first. So now we are going to find out the answer. So the future age of Rohan will be, so what is the future age? Future means you have to add. So after 20 years or 20 years hence means x plus 20. So the past age of Rohan means before. So that is 10 years before or 10 years back. What is this age? That is x minus 10. Then we are equating this because it is said that Rohan's age 20 years hence is equal to, will be equal to 3 times his age 10 years back. So that is 20 years hence Rohan's age is x plus 20 will be, that is equal to 3 times his age 10 years back. That is 3 into 10 years back age means x minus 10. You have to subtract 10 by 10 from x, that is x minus 10. So x plus 20 equal to, you open the bracket, 3x minus 30. 3 into 10, 30. So taking the x terms to one side, that is x, 2x equal to 30 plus 20 is 50. X equal to 50 by 2, that is x equal to 25. So the Rohan's present age is 25. The problem solved. So let's have a look at another problem. Meera is 4 years older than Ginny, who is twice as old as Kiran. The sum of ages of Meera, Ginny and Kiran is 35. How old is Ginny? So let's have a short form for all these names. Meera is M, Ginny is G, and Kiran is K. So we are again segregating the question into different parts. Meera is 4 years older than Ginny. That is M equal to, she is 4 years older than Ginny. That is, you have to add 4 to Ginny's age. So that is 4 plus G. So the equation formed is M equal to 4 plus G. So the next part is Ginny is twice as old as Kiran. So Ginny is G. G equal to 2K. K means Kiran. So Ginny equal to twice as old as Kiran. That is 2K. G equal to 2K. That is the second equation formed. And you have to form the third equation. So before that, you keep in mind that you have to take this all into one unit. So that's why we are treating Kiran as X. We are treating Kiran's age as X. So then Ginny is 2X. That is, Ginny is twice as old as Kiran. So that is, Ginny is 2X. Then what happens to Mira's age? Mira is 4 plus G. No? So Ginny is 2X. So 4 plus 2X. So Mira's equation is converted into M equal to 4 plus 2X. Then you see the other part of the question. The sum of ages of Mira, Ginny and Kiran is 35. So you write it as M plus G plus K equal to 35. Mira plus Mira's age plus Ginny's age plus Kiran's age equal to 35. Then you are substituting this. M is 4 plus 2x. Then G is 2x. Then K is x. So that is 4 plus 2x plus 2x plus x equal to 35. Then 4 plus 2x plus 2x plus x is 5x. Then 4 plus 5x equal to 35. 5x equal to 35 by 4. Then x is 35 by 5. So the value of x or Kiran's age is 7. So once we get this value x as 7, sometimes in the bracket 7 will be given. So all on a sudden we just darken the bubble for 7. So there we lose. So just keep in mind, you be careful while answering all these questions. Once you darken that bubble, you cannot change the answer. So read carefully the question. What they have asked is the age of Ginny only. So this is Kiran's age. So Ginny is twice as old as Kiran. So G equal to 2x, that is G equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. So Ginny's age is 14. So the problem again solved. So let's have a look at another problem too. Present age of Vivek and John are in the ratio 5:4 respectively. After 3 years, the ratio will become 11:9 respectively. How old is Vivek and John now? So keep in mind before solving the problem, when you come across the ratio problems, the ratios are always treated as fractions. So again, we are giving a value. We are changing it into a common term, x. So percentage of Vivek is, that is 5 is turned into 5x, and present age of John, 4 is turned into 4x. So already we have learned the equation that percentage is always treated as x. So that is 5 turns to 5x, and John's age turns to 4x. So again, after 3 years, ratio will become 11:9 respectively. So what happens to this equation? So already I told you the ratio is always treated as a fraction. After 3 years, what happens to the Vivek's age? That is, after means you have to add 3. 5x plus 3. So it becomes what? 11. 5x plus 3 equal to 11. And at the same time, after 3 years, what happens to Vivek? John. So after 3 years, John means 4x plus 3. So that is 5x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 3. As it is given in ratio, you have to always represent it in a fraction. That is the reason why I have represented the problem in a fraction. So 5x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 3 equal to 11:9 becomes 11 by 9. 11 divided by 9. Then we cross multiply this. 5x plus 3 into 9 equal to 11 into 4x plus 3. When we open the brackets, you get 45x plus 27 equal to 44x plus 33. Then taking the x values to x terms to one side and the values to the other side, 45x minus 44x equal to 33 minus 27, that is x equal to 6. So you have got the value for x. And here the question asked is, what is the age of John and Vivek? So x means Vivek's age is 5x and John's age is 4x. So 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. That is Vivek's present age is 30. and John's present age is 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So John's present age is 24. Vivek is 30, whereas John is 24. So the problem is solved. So we have come across 3 types of age problems. Hope you enjoyed learning this age problem and you understood the trick what to apply to solve this problem. And do subscribe our channel, and there's a bell icon there. You just press that bell icon too for future these types of short learning tricks. So stay tuned. This is Neethu signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.